Good afternoon, Pratibha.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today I am going to ask you some question, not objective. Okay, you have to answer. Give some conditions for germination of seed. How seeds germinate? What conditions are needed?
The condition needed for germination of seed
Is anybody else? Anyone else? What are the conditions needed for germination of seed? Humidity is needed. How?
sunlight.
Sunlight is there.
Water.
Water. Okay. These all things are conditions. That's question. Okay. This is a 2 marks question. What do you mean by communicable disease?
Under the disease, we separate from infected person to the healthy person by food, physical contact, air, water, etc. is called communicable disease.
Get the cap out. Okay. Okay. Give examples also.
Okay, examples of communicable disease are chickenpox, COVID-19,
Hmm.
etc.
Okay. To burn green leaves is difficult as compared to burning dry leaves.
It
Why?
is difficult to burn the green leaf as compared to that dry leaf, because in the green leaf the moisture content is more, so the oxygen supply is less.
Are you listening,
And-
everyone? This question she will ask you now.
And in the dry leaf, the moisture content is less and the oxygen supply is more. That's why.
Okay. Keep question in. You can write also what question she is asking. You can write. Okay. Next question. What are the reasons for global warming?
And the reasons for global warming are burning of fossil fuels
Okay.
and air pollution, water pollution.
Water pollution is
No,
not
air
the reason.
pollution.
2 reasons are okay. I just asked you 2 only, na? No, you have to mention 4.
Okay, and
Burning of rubble.
burning of rubble,
Okay, burning of that. The farmers after the left things are there. They burn. That is also. What is it called? I think straw. We call it as straw. Okay, you confirm it. 4 points you need. Why do we call
the
pituitary?
global warming one increase of carbon dioxide.
I am not asking what happens with the how it happens. I am asking what are the reason for global warming.
Deforestation.
Deforestation, yes, that is there. Why pituitary gland is called ductless gland?
Because they don't have
No. Why pituitary gland is called master gland?
The pituitary gland is called the master gland because it connects to the brain.
Okay, you confirm this question is also we are not clear with. This again it is there in the syllabus. What is acid rain?
The acid rain is caused by the mixture of when it makes that sulfuric acid, carbonic acid and nitric acid mixed with the water. It forms the acid rain, which is which causes damage to the buildings, homes, etc.
Here you can elaborate. For this thing, what is acid rain, how it is caused and what are the effects of acid, then you can explain. Okay. What is friction?
Friction, the force which opposes the motion of the object is called friction.
Why the rolling ball stops after some time?
The rolling goes after some time.
Why? Yes. Why the rolling ball stops after some time? Yes, Gurpreet? Yes.
Due to friction.
Simple, it is due to friction. Okay. What is fusion? Binary fission.
Okay. Binary fission refers to the division of a cell into 2 parts. It is the simplest type of sexual reproduction. Examples: amoeba, bacteria, etc.
Name 2 asexual reproduction and the organisms which are involved in that is those two asexual reproduction?
Okay. Sexual reproductions are binary fusion first. Amoeba, bacterium, and other single cell organisms. And second is fermentation, involves algae, uh, some blue-green algae, fungi,
What is
spirogyra.
adolescence? What is adolescence?
Adolescence is the period when the body undergoes several changes leading to the reproductive maturity.
Why you want to tell? Okay, does uh, how does atmosphere save us from the meteorites,
Shooting stars.
shooting star?
Atmosphere saves us from the shooting star with the help of that friction. When the shooting star enters the environment of the Earth, the shooting star breaks that environment breaks the shooting star into small pieces
Are you writing the questions which are there?
due
Okay.
to the atmosphere of.
Along with that, you delve into your mind. What questions are there? Okay. One question is there. In a heavy rain, the lineman. Do you think lineman should go outside and do that repair?
Which line?
Lineman, electrician.
Yes, sir.
Do they? Should he go outside?
In the heavy rain, they should not go outside for repairing electric powers because water is the good conductor of electricity, and while repairing that electric poles, they may get shock and that can be.
Define wind. Listen, beta. Why I'm saying?
Moving air is
Because I want you to listen everything.
moving air is called wind. An instrument used to measure the speed of the wind is a pneumometer, and the instrument used to measure the direction of wind is wind vane.
Okay, and you can more thing you can write. Wind has got the different variation.
When the speed of the wind goes more than 100 km per hour, it becomes cyclone.
Because this question is of 2 marks only. Storm and cyclone, there is a difference. Okay, when it becomes storm.
When the speed of the that
Yes.
When the speed of wind more than the 100 km per hour.
That is a storm.
Yes.
Okay.
storm is
And what about cyclone?
cyclone is a type of storm.
Okay, there are different variations are there. Actually, it is according to the area. Okay.
Hurricanes also.
If you are outside somewhere, you find some earthquake tremors. What precautions will you take?
Okay, we should not stand near a tree or electric pole. We should move on in the open area, and if we are traveling, we are in that bus. We should not go down from the bus. We should park the bus in the open area, and we should slow down the speed of the bus.
Okay. How the people who are blind can read?
With the system called the Braille system, it was invented by the Louis Braille.
Louis Braille, LS, Louis Braille. It is 2 marks. You have to elaborate the things. What question is there?
There are 6 characters in the Braille.
Okay,
Braille
yes,
system.
this is how. Okay, 6 characters are there. Why do we call natural gas as pure fuel? You know these questions are there in Punjabi. And transforming, I mean converting, I'm changing this language to English. This type of thing I want in you also. Okay.
Because natural gas are clean fuels and no residue remains after its combustion.
Okay. Fine. It is a 2 marks.
Not what.
On what factors does sound depends?
Sound depends on the pitch, amplitude, means loudness, and quality or timbre.
Timber, okay. You can explain this also, okay? A 3 marks question.
Shall I explain more?
Yeah.
Okay. Pitch is depends on the frequency of the sound. More will be the pitch of the sound. More will be the frequency of the sound.
Beta, this video I'm going to send. Listen, everyone. Okay, I will make it on YouTube so that it will be you can see everyone. Otherwise, to getting a video is tough. Okay.
Okay. The unit to measure pitch means frequency of the sound is hertz. Then amplitude, the loudness of the sound is called amplitude. More will be the loudness of the sound, and more will be the amplitude of the sound. And the unit used to measure the amplitude is called decibel, dB. And next is quality or timbre. The characteristic.
If it 2 marks is there, then it is okay. If you cross 3 marks,
enables us to distinguish between the pitch and the amplitude when they are of the same. Then this quality is called quality or timbre. To differentiate between the pitch
How
of the
does-
sound and different amplitude.
how does coal form with the help of
Dead
dead
animals.
dead animals?
Some dead plants,
Plants.
and
Not animals.
vegetations.
Vegetation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the question.
This process is called
3 marks question is there. What is coal formation? You can simply what is coal formation?
Coal
Or
is
what is this process called? That you have to answer in the last. Listen, everyone.
coal is formed by the dead decaying of vegetation, and this process is called carbonization. Million of years take place to prepare that coal. So
Beta, when you are
it is
writing,
a-
I really found it good. Puneet was doing the difficult main thing is there. You do underline it, isn't it? Puneet was doing. You just underline it. Carbonization, you underline it, so that when the teacher is checking, it will be in his mind that this student know this question. Okay. Yes.
and coal is that
What answer is not okay? Of 3 marks, you have to explain. What are fossil fuels? Give any 3 fossil fuel, name of the 3 fossil fuel. Or and okay, first of all, answer these 2 questions.
what is fossil,
Fossil
fuel?
fuel?
Fossil fuel takes millions of years to make. It is a natural sources, and they are exhaustible because they can be
Exhausted.
about 80% of
English
the
teacher is also sitting. Okay.
about
You check it.
80% of the fossil
Exhaust.
fuel can be
2 teachers.
exhausted in 1 century. Fossil fuel are exhaustible natural resources. And 3 examples of fossil fuel: coal, petroleum, and coal, petroleum.
Elaborate it. Okay. Next question. What is force?
Natural gas.
What are the effects of force? What is force? What are the effects of force?
Force. The push or pull on an object is called force. The effects of force are: force change the speed of the motion.
Start thinking.
Force can change the speed of the motion. Force can change the side of the object. Force can increase or decrease the speed of the moving object. Force can stop the moving object, and force can start the object from its rest position.
Okay. What is kaleidoscope? And what is kaleidoscope? And what is its use?
Okay. Kaleidoscope is an optical instrument. Is an optical instrument, and it is used for the purpose of education, study, and in the purpose of entertainment.
Oh, kaleidoscope study.
In the study of education means
Beta, it is for designing.
designing. I'm saying that. Second is it is used for the purpose of entertainment, and it is used for that the designers use kaleidoscope to make designs.
In the clothes also.
Kaleidoscope.
Because whenever you change a pattern, it will never appear like same. And how to make a kaleidoscope, that also you can add. 3 marks question is there. Okay. What is the difference between contact force and non-contact force?
Difference between contact force and non-contact force. First, contact force. In the contact force, physical contact is there, and in the non-contact force, not any physical contact is there. And examples of contact force are that frictional force and muscular force. And examples of non-contact force: gravitational force, electrostatic force, and that magnetic force.
Okay.
The 2 marks question is there.
3 marks question. Do you know something more than this? Anybody else from you? You want to add something? You can say, sir, I want to add. 2 differences she already said. But this question is of 3 marks. That means 3 differences should be there. Which is other third?
Contact force.
This also you have to say. Okay, fine.
There are 2 types of contact force and 3 types of.
This you can say, but
I have
okay.
said.
She has already said. What is the difference between weedicides and pesticides? What is the difference between weedicides and pesticides?
Are used to remove the weeds which are present, which grow along with the crops, and pesticides are used to protect the crop from the pests.
Have you said the 3 differences? You have to find 3. What are the reasons of deforestation?
The reasons of deforestation are clearing land for that industrialization,
Okay.
clearing land for agriculture activities,
Okay. 6 points you have to mention.
overgrazing of the animals. Fourth is that constructing dams, roads, and clearing the forest for making homes, for making groves. Sixth is deforestation due to forest fire. Due to forest fire, then due to earthworm deforestation,
Earthworm?
earthquake, and forest fire.
Wait.
This I think I have said 6.
Explain how sliding friction is less than static friction.
Okay. In the sliding friction, the object contact with the surface is less, and in the
3 marks question.
in the
Just imagine this is a 3 marks question.
in the static friction, the object contact with the surface is more, and irregularities are also more. So, sliding friction is less than the static friction.
Okay. Okay, you can elaborate this more. What are the question which was there, which I asked? That was there, no?
Yes.
That first question. That's from that question, 3 marks question started. Okay, close it.